Hey there, health enthusiasts and curious minds, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna crack open a secret hiding in plain sight, or should I say, inside your favorite summer fruit. That's right, we're talking about watermelon seeds. Now, I know what you're thinking. Watermelon seeds? Aren't those the things we usually spit out or pick around? Well, buckle up, because you're about to discover why these tiny black seeds might just be nature's best-kept secret. Let's kick things off with a quick story. Last summer, I was chomping down on a slice of watermelon at a barbecue when my friend's grandma saw me spitting out the seeds. She looked at me like I'd just thrown away a winning lottery ticket. That's when she started telling me about how her family had been eating watermelon seeds for generations. I was skeptical at first, but guys, what I learned blew my mind, and it's about to blow yours too. Before we go further into this video, like, share, and drop your views about this content and subscribe. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers. So, what's the big deal about these little seeds? Let's break it down. 1. Protein powerhouse. First up, would you believe me if I told you that watermelon seeds are packed with protein? It's true. A single ounce of these seeds contains about 10 grams of protein. That's more than an egg. For all you gym goers and plant-based eaters out there, this is huge news. 2. Magnesium Magic. Next on our list is magnesium. These seeds are loaded with it. Magnesium is crucial for everything from muscle function to bone health. Feeling stressed? Magnesium can help with that too. It's like nature's chill pill. 3. Iron man and woman. Iron deficiency is super common, especially among women. But guess what? Watermelon seeds are rich in iron. So next time you're feeling a bit sluggish, maybe reach for some of these seeds instead of that afternoon coffee. 4. Heart health hero. Let's talk about your ticker. Watermelon seeds contain a good amount of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, yeah, the good kind of fat. These can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. 5. Skin deep benefits. Beauty enthusiasts, listen up. The zinc in watermelon seeds can do wonders for your skin. It helps with cell regeneration and keeping your skin clear. Who knew your next beauty secret was hiding in your fruit salad? Alright, we're halfway through, and I can almost hear you asking, this sounds great, but how do I eat these things? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Eating watermelon seeds 101. 1. Roasted and salted, my personal favorite. Just toss them in a pan with a bit of oil and salt. They make a great snack or salad topper. 2. Ground into flour. Yep, watermelon seed flour is a thing. Use it in baking for a nutrient boost. 3. Sprouted. For the health nuts out there, try sprouting them. It increases their nutritional value even more. 4. Raw. You can eat them straight out of the watermelon, but they're a bit chewy this way. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. There's an old wives' tale that swallowing watermelon seeds will make a watermelon grow in your stomach. Spoiler alert, it's not true. Your stomach acid is way too strong for that. So feel free to swallow them if you want, though chewing will help you absorb more nutrients. But wait, there's more. I've always wanted to say that. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Watermelon seeds contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood sugar levels. This is especially good news for anyone at risk of or managing diabetes. 7. Brain booster. Remember that magnesium we talked about earlier? Well, it's not just good for your muscles. It also plays a crucial role in brain function. Some studies suggest it might even help with depression and anxiety. 8. Weight management. Despite being high in healthy fats, watermelon seeds, can aid in weight management. The protein and fiber help keep you feeling full, which can prevent overeating. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. 9. Immune system support. With a good dose of zinc and other minerals, these seeds can give your immune system a nice little boost. Who knew your summer snack could help keep the sniffles at bay? 10. Bone strength. Last but not least, the combo of magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc in watermelon seeds is great for maintaining strong, healthy bones. So there you have it, folks, the secret benefits of watermelon seeds. Next time you're enjoying a juicy slice, think twice before tossing those seeds. You might just be throwing away a goldmine of nutrition. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution: if you have any allergies or health conditions, always check with your doctor before adding new foods to your diet. And remember, moderation is key, even with superfoods like these. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And hey, leave a comment below telling me your favorite way to eat watermelon seeds, or if you've never tried them before, let me know if you're going to start. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring the amazing secrets nature has to offer. See you in the next video.